Welcome to my weekly Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Today's video is all about paper crafting. I'm here to share how easy it is to make a 3D project. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial, and I would love to see you shop with me. So I came up with the most fantastic stocking stuffer ever. It's affordable and it's super useful. And I wrapped it in this really cool way. So you want to see what I've got in there? Stainless steel straws. Now I know recently we've been noticing that the plastic straws are kind of a bad thing for animals and our environment. So I ended up finding these stainless steel straws. One's bent and one is straight, and they really are stainless, like they're nice straws. So that is what is in these packages, and I'll show you how you open them. So you just slide the belly band off, and it opens like this, and then you gently open in through there. And I have 2 straws in and a little bit of burlap ribbon, if you will. So, and also, so this is going to my family. So my 2 brothers-in-law, my 2 sisters, my mom, and my niece and nephew. So each family has to have, I'll open this one and show you what else it comes with. It's a little tight because when you have a stainless steel straw, you need to be able to clean it. So there's a special pipe cleaner in this one. And so I'm giving those pipe cleaners to one of the families each. I thought this was a really cool, unique way of wrapping, a great idea for a stocking stuffer. I can put the link in the description bar below in case you shop Amazon, because that's where I got them from. And I'll quickly show you how to make it. It's really simple. The paper I've been using is called Under the Mistletoe, and you'll find it on page 189 of the annual catalog. So you can make 2 of them with one 12 by 12 sheet of paper. All right, so I'm going to use my score blade here at 4 and 2. I'm going to go to 1.5 on one side and 1 on the other. And then I'm going to move it to number 2, but I'm just going to take my bone folder and kind of make a mark on either end. So you're going to burnish all your score lines. Okay. You might be able to see it better here. I'm going to go up in the middle here, up in the middle. And those 2 little marks that I made with the bone folder, I'm just going to connect from here to there. So from the mark to the intersection. So the mark to the intersection. There we go. And that's as much wastage as you have. Now I'm going to go down on the bottom and make a little square of adhesive. Same here. Square of adhesive. Fold it all the way down. And then another square of adhesive here. Just like that. I also kept one for myself, guys. There we go. I'm going to tuck that in. Fold it over. Oh, fold this guy just to close it. Now, this is 1 inch by 8.5, and let's see, I'm going to put adhesive on the back side. Whoops. There. Wrap that around. Close that off. And then just adhesive on the back. Cute. And then this Merry Christmas is from the Clear Mount stamp set I'll Be Home. I just put a couple of strips of adhesive and then there it is. And then just some of that glitter ribbon. Tied a little bow. Glue dot. And there it is. So that is a really unique way and a great idea for a stocking stuffer. Now, thinking about this, if you have some really nice chopsticks, some incense would work in these packages. What else would work? Pencils, pens, bone folders. Anything long and skinny like a straw. Anyway, thanks so much for joining me. Hope you like this little project, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!
Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.